Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Taoban Jan Paul, Block 3G. As a student in the study of computer, I am acutely aware of the vulnerabilities that accompany technological advancement. The increasing prevalence of data breaches and cyber attacks highlights as a pressing need for individuals and organizations alike to prioritize their digital security measures. Through my spoken word piece title Behind the Firewall, I am a shield to light these critical issues while advocating for a culture that values in privacy interconnection world. Security, computers, a computer security day. This electronic device, more and more, never surfaces the key of components of our life, humanity's second wife, to men and women, causing concern for privacy and jealousy, causing intimacy, a great concern for security. A day is dedicated now in our busy life somehow to keep our data safe and secure, which no one's ready to ensure. So here's Computer Security Day, September 8, for security, 2 days from today. Computer Security Day, observed on November 30th each year, serve as a reminder of the importance of protecting digital information and system from cyber threats. In an era where our personal and professional lives are increasing, online security has become a critical issue. This day encourage individuals and organizations to reflect on the risks associated with data breaches, hacking, and other cyber threats, while promoting practices like strong passwords, regular software updates, and awareness training. It's a moment to recognize how vulnerable we are and how essential it is to stay vigilant in the face of constantly evolving cyber attacks. Ultimately, Computer Security Day reinforces the need for a proactive approach to safeguarding our digital lives. It's not just about protecting devices, but also about fostering a culture of awareness around the importance of cybersecurity. That's all for today, ma'am. Good morning and thank you so much.